All right, y'all, I wanted to show you what I just got at the store. I'm so excited. If y'all have an Albertsons by you, make sure you pay attention to the $5 Fridays because they have wonderful sales. Anyways, this wasn't part of the $5 Fridays, but they have 85 15 ground beef for $4.99 a pound. So, ground beef's my favorite. I got several of these. I actually have no idea how many, but we're gonna see. So eight ground beefs. That's my puppies. They're excited too because that means they get to eat. So 8 ground beefs. Now this is what I'm excited for. So they had this meat, the kind of meat that you guys get at like the Asian place. I've only seen them at the Asian grocery stores, but this meat is normally like $12.99 a pound, and it was $5 for $5 Friday. The limit was 4, but I decided to press my luck, and I ended up getting 16 of them for $5 a piece. So instead of $12.99 a piece, I got them for $5. And that's what I'm super excited about, you guys. Shop the sales. I know meat is expensive, but you can get it on sale.
She always likes to press her luck.
I sure do. So it's a pound. This is beef short plate curl. And my thought is I'm going to dehydrate these and make some really good carnivore crisps. And then I'm going to eat them. I'm going to eat them all.
I can't wait for the soup.
Well, I was thinking we're going to have hamburgers for dinner tonight, but then I thought a soup with some hard-boiled eggs and some of this meat in it.
Isn't it like an egg drop soup or something like
Well,
that?
it can be. It can be an egg drop soup if you drop your egg in it. But I got some hard-boiled eggs in the fridge. We can just throw them in. Let's see. Beef short plate. I can't say it. Beef short plate sliced curl. And then beef chuck roll sliced curl. So I got that. I got 4 of each kind. So the ribeye wasn't on sale for $5. That was still $16.99 a pound, but these are going to make really good dehydrated meat. And I'm going to start that tonight because I don't have room in my freezer or fridge for all this stuff.
No, it's packed.
It is packed. All right. This is what I'm excited for. Beef brisket sliced curl. And we know beef brisket for me, that's my favorite. That is my favorite for dehydrated meat. I love it. I got 4 of the briskets, and I think I'm going to log on to my other account and order more because I want a bunch of meat crisps. Not to be greedy, but I'm hungry. Can't help it. Woo! And then the last thing, pork butt. Pork butt sliced curl. So I'm going to dehydrate as much of these as I can. Put another order in tonight. If you guys have the Albertsons app and use it, you can order on Friday nights for the Friday deal and pick it up on Saturday. So I'm going to do that because I'm not going back out. I just got home and it's been a long week at work, and I'm in. Bras coming off and jammies are going on, and we're going to get some dehydrated meat and some soup with some meat. So we're going to get our soup on. So all of this cost me $115.92. I bought it on the app. I used the $5 Friday discounts, and I put a 5% discount on each thing because I subscribed to it. So I did the subscribe, and now that I bought it, I'm going to unsubscribe because I don't want these every week. So we are loving life right now. I'm getting ready to throw these in the dehydrator, and I'm going to make some soup, and we are going to get our food on.